The GoPro Hero 9 Black action camera. I don't think the right question to ask in 2023 is it still good? It is. I think the question is it a good starter action cam in 2023? Welcome to Unboxing with Marty. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe. Okay, well this camera came out in September of 2020 and it set the bar high. Since then, GoPro's released the 10 and 11. Each subsequent release has always been an improvement on the previous model. About the GoPro 9, here are some details. You're going to get 5K video, 20 megapixel photos. It's got advanced video stabilization, they call it HyperSmooth 3.0. It's waterproof down to 33 feet. It says it's built tough. It's got a detachable lens, 2 screens. It's got Time Warp 3.0. It's got a slow-mo. It's got some other features. And it's compatible with the Quick app, that's the GoPro app for your mobile device. And of course it's compatible with many different kinds of mounts. And you're also going to need a micro SD card. Remember, there's been a release of the 10 and 11 since the 9 came out. And because the 9 is part of the GoPro lineup, it's already associated with a family of quality cameras. And the GoPro 9. This is what comes in the box. If you're looking for a starter action cam, have a look at the GoPro 9. If you found this video to be a benefit to you, please hit the like and subscribe buttons below. Thank you.